Hello makers, this is Mantas from Totem Labs, and in this video we're gonna take a look at Totem Micro Lab. First thing we notice, Totem booklet. Inside you'll see instructions how to set up the kit and potential upgrades with side panels. Let's head into the box. Here we can see essentials, mini USB cable, breadboard, and Totem Arduino board. Few things to mention: it's fully compatible with Arduino Uno, can supply up to 1.5 amperes of current at 5 volts, and there's selectable voltage of 5 volts and 3.3. Okay, so for construction we have beams, board, bunch of different bolts and brackets, and of course Totem magnetic screwdriver. This is how it looks like when you set everything up. So guys, have fun coding, and for more details visit totemmaker.net.